Hey little Pingus! Are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned!
Beebo learns to spend smart.
Meet Beebo. Beebo is a tiny robot with shiny silver arms, red boots, and big, curious eyes. Beebo loves toys. Beebo loves candy. Beebo loves everything shiny. Every day, Beebo saw Mom and Dad counting coins and keeping them carefully in a jar. The coins made such a happy sound. Why do you keep these shiny circles so safely, Mama? Beebo asked curiously. Mama smiled and said, These are coins and notes, Beebo. Coins are round and notes are rectangular. They help us buy things that we need, like food, clothes, or your favorite storybooks. Beebo started thinking, coins must be super special then. That night, Beebo had a funny idea. If coins are special, I can make my own. Yay! Beebo cut round pieces from paper, plucked shiny leaves, and drew smiley faces on them, and said proudly, Ta-da! Beebo coins ready! Now Beebo can buy a toy! Later that day, Beebo went to the toy shop with his dad. Beebo's eyes went wide when he saw a shiny red robot car. Beebo wants this car. Please, Dad. As Dad took out his wallet, Beebo jumped and said, Wait, Dad. Use Beebo coins. Beebo made them. He held out his paper and leaf coins proudly. The shopkeeper kindly replied,
Oh dear Beebo, these are lovely coins, but I can't use them. They are just paper and leaves.
Uh-oh. Beebo got confused and asked, Leaf coins do not work, but Beebo made them with love. Dad knelt beside him and said,
Beebo, real money is special, my child. Everyone agrees to use it when we buy things. That's why we keep it safe.
Beebo started thinking, so Beebo coins are only for fun? Dad smiled and replied,
Yes, little one. Real coins help us get what we need. And that is why we need to use them very carefully.
On the way back home, Beebo kept thinking about what Dad said. He looked out of the window, thinking about the shiny coins and colorful rectangular notes Mom and Dad kept safe. When they reached home, Dad smiled and gave Beebo a shiny 5 rupee coin.
This is for my little Beebo. Keep it safe, my child.
Beebo held the coin carefully in his tiny hands. It sparkled just like his eyes.
Oh, Beebo will keep you safe. I will use you only when it's really needed.
That's my smart Beebo. Let me share a tiny trick to help you use the money wisely. Before you spend money, ask 3 questions from yourself. First, do I really need this thing? Second, will I still want it tomorrow? And third, can I save some money too?
Beebo replied in an excited voice.
Beebo can do that. Spend little, save little.
Later that week, at the park, Beebo saw a candy cart.
Candy! Beebo wants candy!
And then he stopped and remembered Dad's trick.
Do I really need it? My tummy is full. Will I still want it tomorrow? Maybe not. Can I save some money too? Yes!
And Beebo proudly smiled and said,
Beebo will save today and maybe buy a big toy next time.
Beebo put his coin safely in his tiny pouch. He felt happy and proud and started singing.
Spend a little, save a little, smart bots think before they pick.
And that's how Beebo learned that using money wisely means asking questions, making choices, and saving for something truly special. Money is special. Use it wisely. Save it safely and think before you spend. Hey friends, ask your mama or papa to show you what an actual note or coin looks like in your country. Till then, keep listening and keep saving.